thanks. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Where are you from?
I'm from Pretoria.
Oh, from Pretoria.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to see you from Pretoria. How do you see this beach here?
It's quite nice, eh? It's quite beautiful.
Yeah.
It's nice to finally have a sunny day in Cape Town.
Okay. When did you come alive? We back actually in the city of Cape Town, man, with another exciting episode. Now we are going to another amazing place here. Cairns Bay, man. We gotta go to chill down, man, with my guy here, Mr. Wajakoya Wajankoto. Today, the blues playing today, man. Yeah, we wish all the best, man. The blues will be playing today, and I'm sure that we gotta have to win. We gotta have to win. As we don't fight for the title, we are fighting for just to win. We don't need any title. Yeah, we are in the city center city of Cape Town, the mother city. Yeah, the most beautiful city here in Africa, in the world in general. Man, we are going there. You see that's the bus there, my seat. We are going there to the terminal right now. Yeah, right now, back to back, man, to the city.
Wewe tondorona kwa miaka kila siku mshamba video kudada deki. Hii kado shaka kuitumia wewe. Sio kuitumia hii ya kwenda Cairns Bay wewe kadi. Kumba zako. Hii screen shaka kuja kuangalia hii screen wewe. Inaenda wapi? Hebu angalia kadi. Shaka kutumia wewe mshamba video. Kenge wewe. Tatulie kwanza.
Now we are in my city here with Wajakoya Wajankoto, waiting for the bus.
Jaluo.
So now his name is Jaluo. So we gotta be there in the beach today, having some vibe. Today, as I said, today my team is playing Chelsea. It's a support guys, man. This is the
blues.
The blues. This is the biggest team in the world. So I'm sure, today we gotta win. Have to win. So as we need only to win, we don't need to fight for the title. Chelsea is fighting for the winning. Yeah, my city waiting for the bus for going to Cairns Bay. You see this? This is the slaughtering card. Slaughtering card, man. Here our bus is here, man. Our bus is over here now. We are going. Yeah, our bus is. Upstairs. back here at the central office here with Wajakoya. Yeah, and if the sun is reflecting this side, and it seems like it is some kind of mood or something. Yeah, but we are here now at this place, man. Wajakoya. Yeah, Kens Bay, man. We gotta go to have some little vibe into the water. But even if, yeah, this side is cold too much, we gotta go that side. Yeah, that is how we do, man, in this area. I will charge cheesy too more there. Na kamata kwanza kiaina. Now with Wajakoya Wajankoto, we preparing to go inside the beach time, man. This is beach time, JP worldwide now. Yeah, we gotta show talent today here at Kens Bay, big pool here around, yeah, South Africa, man. Yeah, you see the vibe inside also there, man. Damn it. We do what we supposed to do here, man, at Kens Bay Beach. Man, that is what we do. That is what we do. So umekuja kujiongeza? Jiongeze. Yo. See Wajakoya here is taking shower now. He gotta be fit. The water is so cold, man.
Yeah, very cold.
It's so cold, man. Wajakoya is crumbling like it. Like nothing happened. Man. And me here, I'm sitting waiting for the time, man.
Very cold.
Man,
Very cold.
Yeah, this is Atlantic Ocean, man.
Just to go inside in this water.
Just to go in the water,
you have to
you
prepare
gotta be
yourself.
prepared yourself.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's not a joke.
Otherwise, can be your first time and last time to live in this world.
Tell you, it's not a joke. It's not a joke.
Otherwise,
Wajakoya, I told you, Wajakoya, this place is not a place to be, man. The wind is too much here at this beach. The wind is too much. So much, man. I met one of my friend here. Also, he's just doing some content, YouTube content here at Kens Bay Beach. He gonna introduce himself in his name. Then, yeah, you're gonna go to subscribe to his YouTube channel. My name is JP Worldwide. Make sure you do subscribe and support him. What he is doing here in Kens Bay.
I just come to see what's happened. But now I see, yeah. This place is nice. So guys, please, come and see. Physically, come and see. Please, here there's a very nice environment. You enjoy like here this summer. How you enjoy nice. Guys, I'm happy to be with my friends. It's amazing thing. Guys. Guys, please follow us. You're gonna see more. You're gonna enjoy.
And tell me where you coming from?
Me, I'm a Zimbabwean by birth. Born in Zimbabwe, I'm a Zimbabwean. You know, see.
Yeah, Zim.
I can't lie. Yes, I'm from Zim, guys. Please.
So, if we just come all the way from Zim to come here at Kens Bay to enjoy with his family and do some content, and I'm sure that this vlog will be blowing up. And what am I if you know know Wodemaya last month was here. I was with Wodemaya. I did some video with here, and now I meet my friend here from team. Yeah, Sebianot. So subscribe to you. Okay, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. Where are you from?
I'm from Pretoria.
Oh, from Pretoria.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to see you from Pretoria. How do you see this beach here?
It's quite nice, eh? It's quite beautiful.
Yeah.
It's nice to finally have a sunny day in Cape Town.
Okay. When did you come alive here?
Last year in November.
Last year, November.
Yes.
So you are familiar here?
Yeah.
Oh, you staying here?
Yeah. I
Oh.
recently relocated. November I was relocating to the south.
And how do you enjoy the holiday time?
It's nice, eh?
So
You see,
lovely.
I've got friends visiting me from Pretoria.
Oh, from Pretoria.
Yeah, so now I'm getting a chance to show people around
Oh,
and all of that.
That's so good. Nice to meet you.
It's quite nice. Nice
Yeah,
meeting you
nice
as well.
to meet you too. Thank you so much, man.
Pleasure.
I appreciate. Yeah. Yeah, we're just moving around here at Kens Bay Beach. The vibe is good. White sand beach. Yeah, this they call white sand beach and the blue water. The white sand beach, blue water. Here at Kens Bay Beach. We're having some different vlogs. And, yeah, that is how we do, man. There's so many people there on the holiday, coming to holiday to have fun with their people. People from overseas also, they're here with their people. Yeah, I'm sure this is the time now for the people now to enjoy, you know, the holiday time, to relax mind. Relaxing mind, this is the time. Yeah, I'm sure that everything that will be under control. Yeah, see that's why, man, coming over here to have some fun. As I told you, that is how we do, man.
Osha mataa kwani?
Guys, I'm
They say
good. They think they're good, eh?
They are good.
They are.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sharp, sharp.
Yeah, I'm using JP Worldwide.
Who?
JP Worldwide on
Worldwide. JP
Yeah.
Worldwide.
Yeah, but on Facebook I'm using Juma Mtadira.
Okay, no problem.
So I don't know, you're gonna search or I can
No, I'll search.
you
I'll
search it.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. See you, eh?
Sharp, sharp.
Bye.
Sharp.
He just asking some question about the beach here. Yeah, make sure that yeah, everything is under control. Everything is cool. It's super amazing to be here by the Kens Bay Beach. With Wajakoya. Wajankoto is just chilling here, man, having some fun with these things, man. So now we gotta go around the place, getting people and asking some question here by the beach. You know, yeah, that is what it is, man.